So I'm really weird about the fridge. I cleaned the fridge entirely last night just so I can put in fresh food, but the way I organize my fridge, it's very strange. I'm actually gonna replace these with the new Wolfgang Puck mixing bowls, but for now this will do. I'm a big fan of eating cheese, so I have containers of cheese, different types, mozzarella and the blended shredded kind. I also like to have bella mushrooms. I love eating mushrooms sauteed. I have red peppers, which are great for antioxidant. And then I have a bunch of eggs. I love eating eggs, so for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And these are my best friends, which are prunes. They're a good source of fiber, and they're fat-free, so you can eat as many as you want of those. Some other favorite things I have are soy sauce, sriracha. I got the green one, but my favorite one is the chili sauce one. Love this stuff. Lemon juice I have in the fridge because I actually use it for when I eat raw fish, but I also use it when I drink tea and everything. So speaking of lemon juice, very good for your digestive system. So usually, like in the mornings, I'll put a little lemon juice in my water or tea that I have. Drink that before I eat any kind of big meal, and supposedly that helps when you digest your food. I'm also a really big fan of Jack Daniels, which obviously I've used quite a bit. These are small containers. I was looking for bigger containers at the store, but couldn't find it. But it's delicious on just about any type of meat, so you can eat it with fish, chicken, beef, whatever, and you'll enjoy it. Then I have my ranch. I love ranch dressing. If I can't have mayonnaise, I'll have ranch. And then I have random stuff like cheese, more cheese, oyster spread, and I have more of my stuff that it's in a freezer, but I have a very small freezer right now, so lots of random things in there. And of course I have milk, I have cucumber, mint, sauce, everything like that. You'd be surprised how far these ingredients go with things, but you can check out on the YouTube channel about all the neat things I have, and yeah, definitely. So stay tuned.